Welcome to Please Check Out channel. As you can see, today we're trying to make a huge layout with the wooden tracks. We have lots of tracks here. You can see battery operated motorized Thomas and Friends tank engine, Thomas the Tank Engine here you can see, and this is, look at that. We are not done making the layout yet. We still have to work on it. How beautifully it runs. I already showed a couple of them that runs by itself. Look at that. Oh, I have another one there. So I like the way they go, very steady. So they don't rush, you can see. Very smoothly they run. The Trackmaster one runs too fast and it completes the circle very fast. But this one runs really okay. Let me go ahead and put some of the signs to make it look realistic. Here you can see. Ooh, there's a nice bridge. Look who is here inside this cell phone. Here you can see Railway Bus Bulgy. Join the anti-rail league. Look at this. Bulgy doesn't like that. Did you see what it says? Free the roads. I think he likes roads more than rails. Here you can see a caution sign. It's because caution emergency zone. That's because, you know, this is not gonna take it anymore. It's a, you know, dead end, and that's why you can see this. You know, here's the sign. Here comes the train. Here comes Thomas, and look who is here. James. Thomas is pushing James. How beautifully. So what you can do with this, once you don't have, if you don't have like a motorized one, the motorized one can definitely push it. It is cool. This one is battery, I believe. So I have two of them. I have two Thomas that are motorized. You can see a cool James tender, and look who is coming here. Ooh. This is awesome. You know, this James is really cool one. It has steam on it, like clouds, you can see. Alright, look what happens here. Here you can see James. And James has sound and light, and Thomas is pushing James with his tender. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Here's a little problem. What happens is that, so I'm gonna put this tender. Here you can see. So you can see, oh, this is where I have to change. These wooden railways are not very flexible, so it should be, you try to make it as you know, straight as you can. Look at this. That's cool. Ooh, look at this. This is going to be challenging, yeah, it is challenging. How much must be, oh, this little push-up, sorry. Here you can see Thomas is having a hard time. This is the dead end. And caution sign and fail. Okay. Look at that. So this is the James you just saw that has like cloud on it. I mean like a steam. Cloud likes a steam on it. Here is the emergency zone. Okay, let me go ahead and put James tender. Look at that. Isn't it awesome? Here comes slow and steady Birdie the bus. Birdie took this path. Let's see what happens. I noticed this Birdie has problem, you know, it doesn't go all the time. It's kind of, you know, look at this. Sometimes it stops. So you need little boost up if anything happens like that. Or the track is probably too curved for this. Oh yeah, now it's okay. Look at that. Ooh, I got it back. Alright. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to let it go the other way. You see, it sometimes gets stuck. Like here. But you see, I think it needs more grip on the wheels. What I'm doing, I'm just, oh, you can hear the sound. Yep, the button is on the top. Here you can see Birdie, and let me go ahead and show you Bulgy. But this is not a wooden. This is plastic made, very beautifully made, and I believe compatible. Oh no, not very well. It doesn't sit here properly. Alright. Here comes Lady. But this is a motorized one and it runs pretty awesome. Look at that. Look at that. And Lady can take James, I believe. Look at that. Very smooth. This is where it stopped, you know. I noticed that it needs to be straight one. Here's the end. Alright, let's go ahead and try this. Let's see how far Lady can come. Oh! Yeah, that is cool. Just a little boost up. Yeah, look at that. Climbing the bridge. Getting Thomas. Yeah, that's the dead zone, dead end. Yep. I had this track before, so I changed it. I just put a regular one instead of this, like divider. So I'm not using the divider. Let's see how it works. How Birdie the Bus works now. So here you can see Birdie coming. Oh. Like I said, this one just is stuck here and there. Now it runs on itself better than, you know, on the track. Here you can see all of a sudden the wind came and covered the whole layout with tiny leaves. This is cool, huh? Let me show you. Wow, you see the cool waterfall? It's like water fountain, not fall. Like the sound, huh? Here you can see Toby, and Toby will be pushed by Thomas. Look at that. Here I am putting James to make it more challenging. Oh, look at that. Thomas is pushing both James and Toby. Ooh. Thomas, I believe, needs more space. Toby. This is where it should come this time. Let me make the space green. Hey, that's cool. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, here's a little accident. Thomas is still there, but Toby fell. James fell. Look at that. And here's Thomas. Okay, let me turn the Thomas off. Ooh, look at that. Leaves are falling off. And here you can see troublesome truck. And it has, I don't know, it's a rickety, sorry. It's a gold mine rickety. You can see gold stuff here. So gold mine rickety, look at that. How awesome it looks. Very shiny. And this one pretty much looks like, you know, a troublesome truck. Here you can see I have another one, which is Scarloy. Both are like, you know, wooden Scarloy. Magnetic, so you can connect them, and I'm gonna try to run them with one of the strongest engines that I have here. Oh, look at that, both of them. Ooh, that's cool. Yeah, I have this bridge, you know, it's kind of narrow. Oh, someone got stuck here. Yeah, this is not a fault of Tom. Oh, look at that. Yeah, Thomas is making it. Oh, it's windy all of a sudden. You see how this whole area gets covered with leaves? It's because of the wind. Okay, I'm stopping Thomas here. Okay, now I'm introducing, I have lots of other tracks here you can see, but I'm not using because we are kind of done with making the track. Here you can see today we saw Bulgy, sorry. We saw here Bulgy. Oh. Then James. And James with steam and sound, whistle, spin and sound, I believe. Spin and whistle, sorry. Here you can see Rickety, Scarloy, Thomas, Lady, and we have Birdie the Bus, which is the motorized one. The Bulgy I showed you is not motorized, and Lady motorized one. Runs really cool. Look at that. This is worth watching. Look at that. Lady is pushing all 1, 2, 3 of the. Oh, lady fell. Sorry. Here I have a wooden gift car. Runs well. So Toby too. Alright, today you saw the performance of all these. And thank you viewers. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Please check out channel, and I'm gonna see you again. Check the other videos by clicking the link below or visit my channel. Thank you. Welcome to Please Check Out channel. You just saw Paxton, Take and Play Paxton getting snow covered. And today we have another huge track. What Take and Play trains are racing today?
Thomas.
Good job.
James.
Wow. Okay, are they racing? Okay, let's go ahead and see who wins. Okay, you can see Thomas and James. Oops, what happened?
They fell off because then it becomes 2-1.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, let's go ahead and try again.
Let's put them in the same.
Oh.
Thomas.
Oh yeah, Thomas won and James is second. So let's go ahead and try again.
Second place. First place.
Okay, try again. So this time we are also trying again with James and Thomas.
Thomas is the winner.
Again, Thomas is the winner. All right. Okay, this time who is racing? Who are racing?
James and Percy.
Is that a talking Percy?
Yeah.
Can you?
The diesel works is old and oily.
Oops, old and oily. And what else does it say?
Yeah, the sound of his tooth.
Oh, okay. Does it have a light as well?
Yeah.
Special visitor at the diesel works.
Okay, so let's go ahead and try. Okay.
Diesel works.
3, 2, 1, ready, go.
And I want to tell you something about Percy.
Okay, before.
That when it drives,
Mhm.
it makes driving noise.
Oh, that's cool.
Come on.
Oops. That is funny.
Let's try it again.
Okay.
Yay! James is the winner.
James is the winner. All right, so let's go ahead and try again.
Again. Percy won.
Percy won this time. And
and
look what happened to James.
fell.
Okay. Here you can see Thomas and Percy.
Percy.
Okay, let them
This
come.
is a challenge because they're both winners.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Thomas won.
Ooh.
Yay!
Go ahead.
We're gonna try Thomas and James again. Oh, James is the champion.
Oh, this time James is the champion. This time you can see Guido, and the other one is a Disney Cars toy, but we don't know the name of that toy.
It's a Lightning McQueen thingy.
You think so?
Yeah, it's Lightning McQueen something. I don't know.
So it's a Lightning McQueen version.
Of who?
It's like a Stanley.
Yeah, Stanley version of Lightning McQueen.
You think so?
Yeah.
Alright, leave a
Let's
comment
go.
if you guys know that name of that character. Know the name
So
of that.
let's go.
Oops, Guido fell there. Guido.
Because
this is the-
Guido's hard. He's
Okay,
metal.
but this guy made it.
It's not metal. It's kind of lighter than Guido.
No, that's why. No, the you see Guido is how many wheels Guido has? Show the wheels.
3.
That's one of the reasons. And this guy.
And this guy has 5.
Not 5.
Yes.
4. Oh, yeah, yeah. You mean the one at the rear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and try again.
Let's try again. I'm wondering if Guido could win this time. Let's go. Let's try again. Again.
Mhm.
Again. Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
First place, Stanley
And
Lightning
Guido.
McQueen, and
Okay, we are just trying only Guido this time.
because like that.
Uh-oh. Let's try. Oh, he's coming, he's coming. Yeah. Oops. It's funny, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, try again. Hopefully he'll make it this time.
Again.
Yeah.
Boom, boom.
He's like in one of the classic British style.
Come on.
No, you need to. No. He put him so he touches that. Yes. Oh, he's fast.
Let's go. He's fast. Oh, he did it.
He did it. You want to try him again?
Yeah.
What is his name?
Luke Skywalker.
He's from what?
Star Wars.
Angry Birds. Ooh.
It's Angry Birds Star Wars. And let's try like this way.
Oh, he made it. Here comes a mini version Lightning McQueen.
This-
This
Now we
one-
have Lightning McQueen.
Yeah, this is muddy Lightning McQueen, mud covered, I believe.
And I know that look at the brown wheel, and it's made like plastic with plastic. It's a little bit smaller than the die-cast metal.
Okay, this is just Lightning McQueen by itself for now. Okay, try.
And we're gonna try
Whoa,
with the
fast. Okay, what are you trying this time?
Stanley Lightning McQueen and Lightning McQueen.
Okay, is it die-cast or plastic Lightning McQueen?
Oh, this one?
Yeah?
Plastic.
Okay, let's go. No, that's not fair for Stanley.
Oh, let's try again.
Yeah, let's try again.
Wow! That's not fair for Lightning. That's weird.
Alright, look, go ahead, yeah.
Wow!
Yeah, this is okay. Oh. But it's a good one, huh?
Uh-huh. Lightning McQueen won.
Yeah.
The fastest racer in the whole world.
I think so. Alright, thank you viewers. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment.
See you again. Thank you.